Guys, it's Quitty here, and today I'm going to show you how to do a checkerboard effect in Geometry Dash. It's a really trippy effect, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is the effect here. I'll see if anyone's okay, but we'll play it and try and beat it. So as you can see, it's really trippy. You can make it go faster or slower, however you want it to go. It's not supposed to go with the music sync, but I'm just showing you what it looks like. You can make it go with the music if you want. You can even add stuff to it, but I'm going to go and show you how to make this, so let's just go into this. Alright, so what you want to do is you start off with like a very light colour, like either white or probably go with yellow, because for the background and ground you want to have like a really bright colour that isn't white, because you're going to use that colour. Alright, and the next step is that you want to try and find these ones here that look like that. Alright, so once you found it, click one on the screen, press edit object, click one, like that. So all of them are going to be one, all the whites are going to be one. Then click another one, change it to 2, and change it just to black. So now there's those two there. It's your decision how big you want it to be, but I'm just going to do it with 4 squares. You can do 9 or even 1 if you want it to, but that's... So you just want to copy and paste these right from the start here, like this, but you will need to make a lot and try and get a normal pattern so you can just copy and paste it much easier, like this. I'm pretty sure the original height is 4 big ones here, so if you're making your block, your cube or any other mode go up, well, probably cube, but if making it go up, you can make it bigger, but I'm not going to do that, so you can make it as big as it needs to be, but I'm just going to do 4, which is normal, so like this, and that should be fine. So now we just need to do the same thing with the whites here. This might be a time lapse, so let's go. Alright, so now you just want to copy and paste this whole thing. Make sure actually that these 2 corners are opposite colours, otherwise it won't work, so just copy and paste that and move it along, like that. And do that for however long you want to do it. And then you just want to add your gameplay down here, like you might just want a normal spike, but if you want it to actually go with the checkerboard effect, just make a new layer first, and then just put your gameplay in. So maybe just want like those 2 there, and then just another spike over here. Make sure they go with the pattern, so make this one white, then maybe make this one here the black one, and then maybe also make that black, so it looks like that. But actually you need to do that for both of them, the detail and the base, like that. Then now we're going to actually make this background move, so what you want to do is you put a move trigger right at the start here, and put that at -100 is probably the best, but it depends how long you want to do it. Then set this to about 8. That should probably be the best for it. And then, so you can choose whatever number you want for that. So I'm just going to choose 1, because you might have that for other stuff, so you can choose whatever number you want. Then you just want to set the whole thing to whatever number you chose. Make sure you're not doing these, make sure you put those in a new thing. And now, once we've got all that, edit group to 1. Now if we just play this quickly, it is going to slowly move like that. You can make it different speeds for depending how fast you go, so this one here is probably best for like this slowness. So this is really trippy actually. Whoa, that is really trippy, but we're going to make it flash now. So what you want to do is get a color trigger here, and then put another one on the top. So set one of these to 1 and one of them to 2. Set the fade time to both of them for 0. And where are they? Well, okay, that was weird, but set both of them to 0, like that. And then what you want to do is, depending on how fast you want the flashes to go, just put them in between. Just whenever whenever the level reaches one of these, it swaps the colors. So you want the 2 to go to white, and you want the 1 to go to the black, like that. So now when you play it quickly, it starts off like that and then it quickly swaps. But we're going to do that for the whole thing, and why is it doing that? Okay, I don't know, but... Then we're going to do the opposite for this, make that black, and make this one white, like that. So now it's going to do it two times, yes, like that. And now you just want to copy and paste these, and make sure the gap's exactly the same if you want it to flash exactly the same, or if you're doing like an actual, if you're doing a music sync in this, then you can make it however the music sync goes, so you should be able to figure that out. Just whenever it reaches a new part in the song, then do that. And now this should actually work, but let's try it out. This one here needs to be like this. Make sure they're all the same color on all of them, like that. So that should work, yes it is. And now if you play it, it does that, but you can choose whatever ground color you want. Now's the time that you can set it back to a dark color if you already had it as that. So now, it's really trippy, but as you can see, this is a really trippy effect, but it still looks really, really cool. So if you want to use this in your level, please credit me, because I did actually come up with this. I didn't even find this online. I was like, hey, I might use this sometime. So I actually thought of sharing it with you, but yes, this is one I uploaded online. You can check that out as well if you can. I haven't said it's copy, but if you have like a copy hack or something, you can copy that and use it, or just figure out how to do it easier. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you. Please comment if it did help. Please like it as well. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye, everyone.